how to use a Klaviyo email marketing software for Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Klaviyo and how you can create your email marketing campaigns for your Shopify and much more. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to klaviyo.com and you will land on this platform right here. Klaviyo is the best software platform for marketing any business that sells online. You can actually integrate any store from any other platform such as Klaviyo for Shopify. We have Klaviyo for Shopify Plus, BigCommerce, Magneto, and then we have integrations as well. So it really works well with any business that is online, and it helps you create the best email marketing campaigns and grow your business. So the signing up process for Klaviyo is really easy. You simply click on sign up and you can sign up with your email address. Then you will add a password, company name, company website, telephone number, and then I would like to continue, and then you can simply create your account. So let's fill this up. So I have added all of the information right here: email, password, company name, website name, phone number as well. Simply click on create account and then you will be able to sign up for Klaviyo. So once you sign up, then you will get your own dashboard of Klaviyo. Let's check out the pricing for Klaviyo real quick so you have an idea about the affordability of the platform, and then I will show you Klaviyo for Shopify and we will check out other features. So you can see right here we have Klaviyo and estimate your price. Now you will estimate the pricing plan is actually really good that we actually calculate our pricing plan for ourselves. Right here you have to add your total number of email contacts. So I have added 1,000 right here. Let's say you have 1,000 contact and how many contacts do you plan on texting each month? So let's say I want to text 500 contact and I'm gonna click on calculate and it will calculate my price for me. So you can see right here, if you have less than 1,000, let's say you have 500 and maybe you are going to be contacting 300 of these. Let's calculate for this one. You will see the pricing decreases. So we have like $40 and then it kind of increases to $50 as well. But let's go for a big business. If I say that maybe we are doing this for 2,000 contacts and we will be sending emails to 1,500. So let's check out the pricing plan for this much. So this is going to be $120 each month. So this is how the pricing plan for Klaviyo works. Not that expensive because the features are pretty amazing, but again it depends on you that how many contacts you have and how many emails you are going to be sending. So it depends on you. If you have a small business, then you will not have more than maybe $30 or $20 each month. So this was the pricing plan for Klaviyo. Now I will scroll down. Let's go for Klaviyo for Shopify because that's what I want to show you today. And there are different features on Klaviyo. We can create our email marketing campaigns and then we can also do marketing with Klaviyo. This is actually a marketing platform that we use with our Shopify. Shopify is an amazing platform that allows us to create our own online store where we can sell our products, and Shopify is really famous, especially if you are US and EU based seller, then you know about Shopify. So with Klaviyo, what happens is we get our own targeting. We can target our audience. So that is one of the options that really stands out. You can target your audience. Then we have trigger flow automation based on data, events, list, membership or segment membership. We can also do A/B split testing. That is really amazing. One of the types of campaigns that we do, marketing campaign, is A/B split testing. So what happens in A/B split testing is that we compare two ads. We have an ad A and then we have ad B, and we compare both of the ads in one campaign and then we compare the results. Whichever does good, then we select that one. So that is also available on Klaviyo. Then we have defined segmentation. We also have automatically generated predictions for lifetime value. This is good that we're getting a predictive analytic tool within our Klaviyo. Then we have one-click integrations. There are a lot of integrations available on Klaviyo with your Shopify. So you can also add integrations within your Klaviyo to help you manage your Shopify better, or your Wix better, or wherever you have created your store, you will be able to manage it better with Klaviyo, and you will be able to create a professional marketing campaigns for your shop. So we have the integrations right here. We have Shopify, we have BigCommerce, we have Facebook, we have Aftership. Facebook is also available. This is actually pretty amazing. And then we also have direct integrations available within a Klaviyo. So you can go ahead and add your Klaviyo to your Shopify right now and start creating your email marketing campaigns. And you can automate your marketing campaigns with Klaviyo to run a successful business. And then if we talk about that, what are the different features? So we have two types of things on Klaviyo. We have SMS and we have email. I've been talking about email a lot. So let me also show you about the SMS, that you can also do communication through your Klaviyo within your Shopify, because when we have Shopify, we have different customers and we want to communicate with the customers, right? So when it comes to the SMS tool, we're getting SMS marketing. Also, an SMS marketing really helps you to reach the audience that is not using email. Everybody has SMS available, so you can create SMS campaigns, and you can create different emails and SMS campaigns with Klaviyo. So it depends on you. If you want to use Klaviyo for SMS, then you can do that, and we can also use it for email, or you can use it for both. Even in the pricing plan, we saw that we were getting the SMS, and then we were getting email, and then we were getting the both option. So how the SMS marketing works, we have two-way conversation. This is really good. This really helps us with customer service on Shopify, because we have two-way conversations available. Then we have dynamic images, highlight the product they are viewing, and you can simply add it. Then we have A/B split testing available in SMS as well. Then we have smart sending, quiet hours, and help desk integration as well. So you can do customer service. You can actually, not only you will be able to increase your marketing, you will also be able to increase your customer service with Klaviyo if you're using Klaviyo with your Shopify. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you Klaviyo.com, how we can use Klaviyo with Shopify, and how Klaviyo helps us with our SMS and email marketing campaigns. A really decent platform to use with any of your online business to help you manage your business better and get more productive and creative and get more successful. If this video was useful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.